Two-stroke isn't dead, and Yamaha's proving it year after year. The 2026 YZ125 is back, and if you thought this legendary motocross machine couldn't get any better, think again. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we cut through the noise and give you the real story. Let's talk about why the YZ125 remains the bike every serious racer respects. Design. Yamaha keeps refining what already works. The 2026 YZ125 maintains that razor-sharp motocross aesthetic with updated graphics that pop on the track. The frame geometry has been fine-tuned for even better handling, and the overall package remains beautifully simple. No unnecessary bulk, no wasted material, just pure function. The blue and white livery screams Yamaha racing heritage, and the slim ergonomics let riders move freely when things get aggressive. This is a machine built for one purpose: winning races. Performance. Here's where the YZ125 truly shines. That liquid-cooled two-stroke engine delivers the power band that's made this bike legendary for decades. The hit is crisp, responsive, and absolutely addictive. Yamaha has tweaked the power valve system to broaden the usable range, giving you more control without losing that signature two-stroke punch. Weighing in at just over 200 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio is incredible. The updated suspension soaks up whoops and landings with impressive composure, while still staying firm enough for precise cornering. This bike rewards skill and punishes hesitation. Features and technology. The YZ125 takes a different approach to technology. It focuses on mechanical excellence rather than electronics. The updated Kayaba suspension offers tool-free adjustments for compression and rebound. The hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel lap after lap. While you won't find ride modes or traction control here, that's entirely the point. This bike teaches you to be a better rider through pure mechanical feedback and connection. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves that sometimes the best formula doesn't need reinventing, just refining. It's raw, honest, and absolutely thrilling for riders who want to develop real skills on the track. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Let us know in the comments. If this review was helpful, hit that like button, share it with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth bike coverage. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. See you at the track.